Let us breathe. Starting in through the nose, out through the nose, in through the nose, out through the nose, in through the mouth, out through the mouth, in through the mouth, in through the nose, out through the nose, and in through the nose. Welcome to reality. It's heaven here. There is love everywhere, and light as well. Knowledge, free for anyone to pick up. This blog is for you. This is a gift for you. Let's start off as we listen to the crown chakra, the third eye bell. I'll include a video below where you can find more of the music I'm playing right now. This is a meditation crystal, and it's accompanied by voice. Remember how powerful the voice is? Well, you can do a simple technique. It'll help you out throughout your life. Do, re, mi, fa, si, la, ti, and do, which is in heaven, basically. But here's the point. This little crystal here represents colors. It represents the human body. And do, re, mi, fa, si, la, ti, do. The base chakra, the grounding is do. Re is the sexual chakra. Remember that playing with the self releases any sexual tension so you can be in the world and be comfortable. Do, re, mi. Mi is the will. Me. Your know it, your solar plexus, your gut feeling. Do, re, mi, fa is the heart, loving everyone, realizing that we're all one, we're all here, we're united through color, sound, and vibration. So do, re, mi, fa, si. Si is your voice. Whether you listen in silence or you speak, let it be precise and passionate and immediate. I am powerful. That's the Si. Do, re, mi, fa, si, la. The mind. How you see things with intelligence. La. Si. Third eye. Do, re, mi, fa, si. Do, re, mi, la. See, I'm all mixed up here. Let's say it again. Do, re, mi, la, si. Alright. Well, you gotta help me out here by helping yourself and remembering the pattern. But do, re, mi, fa, si, la, ti, do. So the third eye is T. And then anything beyond the do, that's the world. That's heaven. That's going out of the body. And that's what we're meant here to do. We're not meant to stay in our bodies. We're meant to use them as spacesuits, vehicles. But there's something more going on here. So click the link below. Start to get yourself spiraling. You can do the hula hoop spiral. It mimics the hula hoop. It's what a Sufi does, the ancient dance of the Sufis. And this helps to spiral the DNA. Because what's really going on here? From an electron orbiting, spiraling, the atom to a galaxy, a spiral galaxy like us, the Milky Way. This is where we are. This is light and sound. And what happens is that there is order. And to choose the light, to choose the good feelings, and to not forget how important it is the task to be happy. That is your task. Click the link below for more meditation. We are free.